Hello guys and welcome back. Yeah, listen. I've been sick for a few days now, but it's got my voice right now. Anyway, so we are on the way to get the new wheels for this truck, the 2020 Platinum. And I've never had like an aftermarket set of wheels on a truck. I've owned 6 or 7 trucks now. They've always had stock wheels on them. I've upgraded the tires quite a few times, but never have changed the wheels. So this is going to be a first, and I'm very excited for it. And I thank you guys for your continued support, and to make me want to do these things. To show you guys what things look like, and all that sort of stuff. The last set of aftermarket wheels I had on a vehicle of mine was my 2002 Honda Civic SI Coupe. I had a set of chrome wheels on it first, not chrome, but like alloy or whatever. And then I had a set of black on there. So I've been bouncing back and forth with wheels for a while. I couldn't decide. There was 2 or 3 wheels that I liked, and they came in different colors as well. Black, gunmetal, copper, gold color. And I couldn't decide which way I wanted to go. You see a lot of black wheels on trucks, and I wanted to do something different potentially, but I also wanted it to look good. I didn't want to, spend the money on a set of wheels and just to try something different, and then I don't really like the way they look. So with that said, my decision was made pretty easy last week, because I was actually contacted by, I reached out to a company and they got back to me, because these wheels I'm actually being sponsored by. So I'll mention the company name and where you can find them and links to their websites and all that stuff once I show you guys the wheels. But it made my decision very easy because they gave me a smoking deal. And when I say a smoking deal, I mean they gave me a smoking deal. But anyway, we are just getting ready to get off the highway. I am holding back, coughing right now, so I'll let you guys go. Let's go pick up these wheels. And just like that, we have the wheels on the back of the truck. I also picked up 20 bags of salt, because we're getting some very crappy weather. They don't know what's going to take place here, to be honest, next couple days. It could be snow, it could be a whole crap load of rain, it could be freezing rain. It's going to be a mess, that's for sure. So I might get a chance to test out these Falcon Wild Peak tires in the snow, 37s on this truck. So we'll see if I have, see if that happens. But the wheels are back there, so far so good. No hitches, no issues with shipping. Everything seems to be there. All the accessories that I need as well, because Ford trucks are hub-centric. They're not bolt-centric. They're not lug-centric. They're hub-centric. So the bore on the rim is not the same as the bore on the truck. So you have to have the hub-centric rings to fill that gap in. Let's show you guys what I went with. Alright guys, so here we are. We're in my garage. My wife is not going to be happy that I'm filming in here. She doesn't like me filming in the garage. She thinks it's dirty. It's a garage. It's all I have to work with. We don't have a shop, so this is where a lot of stuff ends up going. But we have the new wheels ready to go, guys. Alright, so here it is. Gives you a hint right off the get-go what brand it is. But let's take a look at the wheel and see what you guys think. Dum dum dum. Bam. Check those out, guys. Check those bad boys out. Alright, so these are the Dirty Life DT1. These are a 20x9 with a 0 offset. Let me know what you guys think. Dirty Life is a very new wheel on the market. It's made by Cali Off-Road. I absolutely love these wheels. So guys, I said that I was deciding between a couple wheels. I was deciding between 2 different wheels, and this one in 2 colors. I was deciding between black, and I was deciding between a gold bronze color. Well, when I said I got a smoking deal on these wheels, I got a smoking deal on these wheels from Anthony at thewheelgroup.com. I will put a link to their website in the description below. They have wheels, they have body armor, they have tires, they have accessories, they have all kinds of stuff. Check out their website, guys, and they will hook you up. So I absolutely fell in love with these wheels the first time I seen them. I love how the spokes are broken up and you have two different patterns here instead of the same pattern going all the way around. Now, I know a lot of people put black wheels on their trucks, and I was hoping to do something different, and this is still slightly different because you have this is a simulated bead lock. You can get these with an actual removable bead lock. This is a simulated bead lock, but you can take these off. It still does have the gold bead lock going around the outside of the wheel. I just absolutely fell in love with these wheels, guys. Let me know what you think, though. Let me know what you think. So yes, they are black, but hey, it is what it is. So being you know, Ford being hub centric, you had to get hub rings that came with it, and I also got the black lug nuts to go with it as well. So we are ready to rock and roll. So guys, there they are. Let me know what you think. I cannot wait to get these on. I was hoping to get them on today, which is Friday, but the weather has just been so bad, so crappy. I've been working, I've been plowing, all that stuff, so it's not going to happen. I have my appointment for Tuesday. So Tuesday of next week, these wheels will be going on. Like I said, check out thewheelgroup.com. They will hook you up, guys, with whatever you need. Trust me, great guy to deal with. They have a few locations in Canada. Anthony was out of Ontario. But yeah, I highly recommend them, and I hope to work with them more in the future. So if you guys spotted this, some of you guys might recognize this. Some of you guys probably haven't even seen this yet. If you're one of the new people, this is my 2019 Can-Am Maverick Sport 1000R. We got this a little over a year ago, and I haven't really had a whole lot of opportunity to drive it, to be honest. Basically, we got it, and then we found out that we were pregnant. So I haven't been able to drive this a whole lot, but I've done some things to it. We put the light bar on, we put the bumpers on the front and the back, we put the mirrors on, put the rear view mirror on, the seat belt sort of cover things here, the roof, and this trunk, which is awesome. Love that. Actually just ordered the windshield. The windshield and the back windshield just showed up. Those will be going on soon. So I do definitely plan to do some riding videos in this thing for you guys. I do have one video up, but it's not a great one. But I'll definitely be doing more videos with this as well. Also, something else I wanted to show you. This is something very new, very new on the market. And it is you plugs into your OBD2 port, and you get an app on your phone, and it basically, you know, tells you your vehicle and trailer weight, your tongue weight, your payload, helps with your weight distribution, you know, your pin weight if you're towing fifth wheel. You can adjust your trailer brake gain and everything all through this. It's made by Kurt. So I'm going to test this out. My buddy's shop, he gave it to me to test out. So I'm going to test this out and let you guys know how it works. But you know, you can always be second guessing if you're overweight, if you have too much tongue weight, you know, all that stuff. It will even show like what angle your truck is on and all that sort of stuff. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a review on this very soon, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, guys, let's take a walk outside and I'll show you the weather I've been dealing with. Alright, so take a look. Maybe you can't see it from here, but there's a ton of ice up in these trees. The truck is covered in ice and slush. We've been getting freezing rain here for the last like 12 hours. Look at this. Check out the front of the truck. Look at that. Look at the poor thing. These icicles, my Ford emblem. That camera ain't gonna work too good right now. Look at this. This is what we deal with here, guys, for weather. The 550 is just a complete block of ice. That thing is just like, I need to run that thing for an hour just to get the ice off it. But man, it is not good. We're supposed to get high winds later on tonight, and if this ice continues and we get high winds, I can guarantee you I will be called out for work. There is no doubt in my mind whatsoever. The dogs can walk on top of this stuff. Like, listen to it. The dogs can walk on top of it. Anyway, guys, I'm sure the lens is full of water from the freezing rain coming down right now. My voice is like basically gone. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think about the wheels. Stay tuned for, you know, obviously future videos of the side-by-side, the Can-Am. I'm going to test out that little OBD2 thing, that tow thing for you guys. Stay tuned for the installation video. So they're getting popped on the truck on Tuesday. So I'm going to try to get that up right away. I'll let you know what I got to do for trimming and all that sort of stuff, mounting the 37s. The factory wheels will be coming off. Those will be going on. I think it's going to look great. I've also got some other sort of parts ordered for the truck. The air dam is one. I won't let you guys know what I'm getting, but I'm definitely taking the air dam off. Some more little cosmetic touches on the truck that I'm going to be doing. We got some window tint, all kinds of stuff going on. But anyway, guys, that is it for now. Take care, stay safe. We'll see what takes place here. All right, guys, later. Bye.